In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Mcafee subscription and get a refund. Many people find themselves in a situation where they no longer need their Mcafee protection, but are unsure of the cancellation process. Whether you've found an alternative solution or simply wish to discontinue the service, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide that will make this process simple and straightforward. First things first, to get started, we'll need to navigate to Mcafee's website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Mcafee Total Protection. You can simply type that into your search bar or follow the direct link if you have it handy. Once you're at the Mcafee Total Protection page, look for the Login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your account credentials, so make sure you have your email and password ready. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Mcafee homepage. This is your user dashboard, where you can access all your account details and preferences. Here, you'll want to look for the option to go to the Mcafee Protection Center. This is where you can manage your security settings and subscriptions. Once you're in the Mcafee Protection Center, the next step is to click on the Manage Your Account section. This area of the website allows you to handle various aspects of your service, including your subscriptions. It's essential that you verify that all the details are correct and that you're in the correct account, especially if you handle multiple subscriptions or have family accounts. Within the Manage Your Account section, you'll find a tab labeled Subscriptions. Click on it and it will show you all the active subscriptions associated with your account. This is where you can review your current plans, renewals, and their expiration dates. Now, to proceed with canceling the subscription, you'll need to look for either a cancel button or an indication of your subscription status. Depending on the options available, you might need to contact Mcafee support for the cancellation and refund request. Customer support will be able to help guide you through the final steps and confirm any refund details. Remember, it's always a good idea to review Mcafee's refund policy before proceeding, as it will give you clarity on how refunds are processed. This entire process should be relatively quick, usually taking no more than a few minutes, provided you have all your account information on hand. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your cancellation process.